Snapchat is a fun messaging app with a lot of features, one of which is streaks. Streaks are when you and a friend have sent snaps back and forth within 24 hours for more than 3 days in a row. To make it easier to keep your streak going, in this video I will show you how to create a shortcut on Snapchat for streaks. It's quick and easy, so let's jump right in. To get started, first open up your Snapchat application, and then, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to take a quick little snap, and then I'm going to tap on the Send To button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on this screen, tap on this search bar up top, and as you can see, under that search bar, on the left side of the screen, there is an option called Create Shortcut. Simply tap on it, and then tap on where it says Choose Emoji. Choose any emoji that you like, and then select people that you have a streak with. After that, simply tap on this Create Shortcut button at the bottom middle of the screen. And boom, now you have successfully created that shortcut, and now when you want to send a snap for your streaks, you can simply tap on that emoji, select all of the people that you added to that shortcut, and you can send streaks faster this way. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.